Tonight, another state ending mandatory masks in schools. Tennessee's governor signing a law rolling back school mask mandates. And in Florida, two of its biggest school districts ended their mask mandates this week. Now more parents are asking, as vaccines for kids roll out, when should mask mandates for children end?
When can kids stop wearing the masks?
We gathered pediatricians and public health experts to weigh in.
It's totally indefensible at this point. It just doesn't make sense.
Some say it's time to move on from mandates.
We've been sleepwalking into masking policy over the past few months, and we're on the verge of kids being in masks for up to 2 years, while adults go about and do whatever the heck they want to do.
Dr. Joseph Allen studies public health at Harvard. He says masks do have a downside.
I'm a dad. I have 3 kids. I see the impact on socialization and learning.
And COVID is not as big a risk for kids as it is for adults.
Fortunately, kids are very low risk for severe outcomes from this virus. Where I am in New England, the risk of a hospitalization for a child is on the order of 1 in a million.
But some pediatricians on the front lines are more cautious.
I think, honestly, we should not even be thinking about any of this until after the holidays, at least, January of 2022.
Saying we need more time for more kids to get vaccinated.
I would like to see that schools don't rush into that until we see these vaccination rates starting to pick up.
Their concern, rising rates in parts of the country as winter nears.
We're seeing COVID rates now starting to go up again in over 20 states. So there's various factors, coming into play here. So I think we have to look at all of that.
And some pediatricians are not so quick to dismiss concerns about kids and COVID.
With the Delta surge, we saw the number of kids who were hospitalized in the ICU, a number of kids who died as well. And 30% of the kids that were hospitalized actually had no underlying health issues.
All our experts agree a phased approach is necessary.
I think it's going to depend a lot on vaccination rates in the area, COVID rates in the area.
My dream is for the kids to get their mask off, but we can't rush it because we can't put those others at risk.
But they may not agree on the timeline.
So the reality is we're able to start pulling back from these controls, masking in particular, when kids have access to the vaccine.
Yasmin Vasugian, NBC News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.